Imagine this. It's 1997, and a group of archaeologists are carefully brushing away dirt from a 7,000-year-old skull. Suddenly, they spot something jaw-dropping. Right there, in the top of the skull, is a perfectly round hole. It looks like someone drilled into it, clean and precise, not just cracked by accident. But here's the real shocker. When they zoom in, they see the bone has started to heal. That means the person survived. Someone didn't just bash this skull in. They actually performed surgery. This ancient operation has a name: trepanation. Picture this. No fancy scalpels, no anesthesia, just a determined healer scraping away at bone with sharp stones, maybe a helper burning incense or holding herbs to calm the nerves. It sounds wild, but trepanation is the oldest surgical technique we know. People did it to relieve head injuries, treat swelling, or, according to some, to let out evil spirits. And it wasn't just one place either. From Neolithic Europe to ancient Peru, Egypt, even medieval France, people across continents were poking holes in skulls. And plenty lived to tell the tale. So how did they pull it off? No modern tools, no antibiotics, not even basic painkillers, just stone tools and what little they knew about the body. Experts now think they used sharpened flints for cutting, fire to sterilize, and pain-numbing herbs found in the wild. Animated cross-sections show ancient surgeons carefully avoiding the veins and brain tissue, guided by instinct and, honestly, a lot of guts. When you compare ancient trepanation to a modern brain surgery, it's incredible. Sure, today's surgeons have robots and MRIs, but those early healers, they had nothing but their hands and some serious nerve. And that's what really blows my mind. The evidence, dozens of ancient skulls all showing signs of healing, proves that early humans weren't just surviving injuries. They were fighting for each other. They were healing. Medicine didn't start in a sparkling white hospital. It started with compassion, curiosity, and a whole lot of bravery. So, next time someone says ancient people were primitive, just remember 7,000 years ago, someone performed brain surgery and their patient survived. That's not just survival, that's genius. What do you think drove them? Was it medicine? Or mystery? Tell me in the comments. And hey, if you think ancient humans deserve way more credit, comment and subscribe for more mind-blowing history.